Let's take a look at this flat burr grinder from Melitta. So first of all, getting this thing set up was really, really easy. You basically just twist, it's kind of threaded so the hopper goes right on. Twist it in a couple of times, then you'll hear it start to click. So you can see me adjusting it there. It's got 13 different settings all the way from fine to coarse, depending on what you're doing. It's marked for like drip coffee, French press, etc. And then the power button itself has a little timer on it. So if you want to keep it full, you can set it to go a certain number of seconds and then basically push that button and then you're off and running. This feature I thought was really cool. So it has a little embedded scoop there for your beans. So it's like a tablespoon scoop. Goes right into the lid. Also has a little cleaning brush on there. So I went ahead and used it, just pouring out for a couple of cups of coffee here. Fill it up. Again, I don't really like storing it in that hopper. I just kind of do it day by day. I'm usually making coffee for one, so this is kind of how I go about it. Pop the lid on, push the button, ready to go. So you can see it starts filling up in there. It is 8-ounce capacity, just to give you an idea. So again, plenty for, unless you're doing some kind of commercial coffee or whatever. I had to hit the button twice just because I had the timer on too short. So it's all good. Take the lid off. And then there are your coffee grounds. So this thing's ready to go. One other thing that I wanted to show you, which I thought was kind of cool, is it has built-in cord management. So it's got this little guy here where you can wrap it around and just get as much cord as you need, which I thought was a really thoughtful design so your countertop is not all cluttered. Overall, super well made, really easy to use. Definitely check this thing out.